In the last video you saw how to fix a slow crank and starting issue on a smart car, and it looked something like this. After some help from a spanner and a bit of chain lube, the alternator is no longer seized up, and the engine starts much easier. But to eliminate any doubt and clear out potential electrical glitches, which are well-known weak point on all Smart Fortwo and Roadster models from that era, I decided to show you an easy way to improve the stability of electrical system and all the car components. We are going to do that by installing new ground cables both for the battery and the engine, so let's get into it. So I bought these cables on the Amazon. Red one you don't need to change. Which one is problem is the negative lead. You can see this is original one. So I bought this pair and I will try to change. Even this one is longer. I want to test it to see if it's working fine. And also the holder for the battery, as you can see, it is not in place. So battery is basically free to move. For that one I also buy this stuff. This is like clamp for the battery. It is universal, but I will check if it can work on the Roadster. Let's first do this cable. So I will use socket 10 and I will try to unbolt this one and take it out. Okay. Now I will do another side. So this is the old one. So this one, the new one, is, let's say, 10 cm longer. Also what you have to check, it's area below. Let me show you. So if you see rust like this, you can use some brush in order to clean it to have the best connection. So what I will do, I will just clean little bit like this, or you can use the brush if you have. You can see on back side how it's rust just appear. Okay, I clean little bit. I clean also this part. This is going on a ABS pump. So first one which is going is earth cable, which is quite big. I wish I bought a smaller one like M6. Can see, but I will put the screw and we will see how it works. Okay, so cable is installed. For sure we need shorter, I will order, but yeah, M6 and shorter one. Now I will go for this battery holder, so it's not jumping when I'm driving the car. As you can see, I put some plate, but this is not enough. Let's remove that one and let's place another. So this is the one that I found on Amazon. I will see now if it can hold it. You need 12mm socket for this. So let me try to put it in place. So it seems to be too high for this one, for the smart battery. It's not holding properly. At the end I decided to flip this mount, and it was perfectly aligned and it kept this battery in place perfectly. So if you have same issue with your battery, if it's loose or you don't have any holder for it, you can use this one from the Amazon. If your earth cable looks like this, then most likely you have some electrical issues with your smart. But don't worry, we have an upgrade for you. This is a new earth cable available in our store. You can find link down in description. Let me show you how to upgrade it. In order to get it out, use 10mm socket. So we will just start with the upper part. Other side is going on the transmission part. You can see it down below. So easiest way to approach is go under the car and approach it from that side. Other part is on transmission mount. We need E11 for this. Once we have it out on both sides, pull it out. Here is comparison, new one, old one. Let's put it on floor. They are same in size. I will pass it over TIK pipe, this one. It is same procedure, you just push new one over, just push it like this, and then you put screw back. New earth cable installed and in place. After all these changes, let's check if everything is okay. Let's try to start the car. Steady revolutions. Regarding throttle response, it's immediate. It even sounds different. So this is well upgrade for the money. That is it for this video. I really hope that upgrading to these heavy-duty ground cables helps you transform your car back into a reliable smart. Since installing them, I actually notice a difference in how the car runs and responds, making this upgrade well worth every penny. All the links to the parts I use are down in the description below. In the next video, we are diving into some performance upgrades with a set of high-performance spark plug leads cables from Formula Power. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one and enjoy your ride.